Mama and Dada are going on a sky date. Wow.
That's more going on a date with Nene and Papa. We're going on a sky date.
So I said Mama and
Oh, I get it.
Dada. Didn't
Your
I say
grammar
Dada?
sounded weird in that sentence. You said Rhett, Mama, and Dada as though it was like Rhett, comma, Mama, comma, and Dada.
Still that. Let's go.
That's the way I understood
Let's go, buddy.
it. Looking good in those shorts, my man.
What kind of skydiving you want to do?
I don't know, we should see who else is on the load and maybe coordinate with them. We should probably do our risers again.
What up, guys? Michael, Denise. We're gonna launch 4-way. We're gonna have some fun. Let's do it.
Hansberry.
Yeah.
There is just something about those first like 3 seconds that just makes it be like worth living.
Huey is.
That weightless feeling is just like ah, and then it's like you catch it and you're like, oh, I can fly my body again now. It's a great feeling.
That was a good day of skydiving.
It was. We haven't had a day like that since Vegas. So. Woo! How do you feel about our jumping today?
It's good. It's a good day.
Hi. We missed you.
What you doing, bud?
We missed you. Do you want to go swimming?
Yeah, buddy. It's pool time. Pool time.
Nice.
Hi, buddy.
That's right.
Hi. Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
Swimming. Hey, we be swimming.
Mama. You got splashes on your face.
Oh, yeah, splash. Splash it. Yeah. Splash it.
Get it. Get some. Get some.
almost lack of depth.
Huey's in town, so we're getting a special treat. Do I look good? Don't answer that. We're gonna jump the whirly bird.
Whirly bird. Oh god.